Hello everyone, this is Manikanta Bilde. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about 5 minimalistic habits that actually improve your life. And watch till the end of the video and I have a freebie for you. And let's dive in. You don't need some complex habits to grow in your life. There are simple habits and they work for self-improvement, and the wonderful thing is they are minimalistic and easy to start. I will share 5 minimalistic habits that are simple and powerful. These habits will change your life and help you grow into a better person. It's very hard to grow new habits in you, and you keep thinking about changing your habits, and sometimes you may have tried but gave up fast. You are what your habits make you. Good habits make you feel good and bad habits make you feel bad. And there are several effects of bad habits in human life. They inhibit your growth in all aspects of life, and they make you lazy and desperate. Even I have experienced all ill effects of these bad habits. I felt weak, lazy, tired and hopeless. Even I felt something is not right with my life and felt something is missing, and there is no satisfaction if I do even anything. I felt that I was going with the flow of life without trying to do something. Even though there are few habits, but the effect is huge. I understand that these bad habits are difficult to break. You learn these habits for several years and you can't let them go in one day. One who gave up so easily have to remember this. Bad habits take time to form in someone, and it's less time, but good habits take a lot of time. And building habits is very important to make you a better person. And there are several habits that are actually complex in nature, and you don't need to learn them as a beginner. You can start with small habits, and they take less time, and I call them minimalistic or simple habits. I advise you to trick yourself by using 21 by 90 method. This method is so simple and it only tricks your mind that helps you overcome bad habits and learn simple habits in no time. This method tells that it takes 21 days to form a habit and 90 days to form a lifestyle. So apply this for your habits you want to grow and make your habits part of your lifestyle. Minimalistic habit 1. Early to rise. Wake up early in the morning. It has a lot of benefits. It improves your health, it improves your mental energy. The wonderful thing is you will have more time to live. You can use this time for doing things you love, and you will never be late and your days goes well. There are several advantages. You can get up early and exercise and build your physical body, which builds your mind too. You can do journaling, or you can plan your day, or you can plan about your goals. Several types of research have proved that importance of waking up early in the morning. The research proved by waking up early morning, you live longer, you'll be happier, you'll make the right decisions, your immunity power gets better, and there are more benefits. In the beginning, waking up may be hard. You may hit the snooze button several times and it's okay. You can keep trying. What you can do is wake up 15 minutes before regular time on the first day and double it the next day and triple it the third day, and keep doing it till you have some particular time. This changes your mind to get into the process and grow into the habit of waking up early. Minimalistic habit 2. Smile. Smile at everyone. You come across so many people in your daily life and there is no exception. Even smile at strangers. Many are going through several hardships in their life, and your smile may act as medicine in their life. And this smile costs nothing, but it's a valuable medicine for others to set their moods. This smile is a natural makeup that you can wear on your face and you look more beautiful with that smile. So wear it every day. This smile not only helps others but also you. It helps you decrease and heal the pain and suffering you have been going through, and life becomes hopeful because of your smile. And this smile is viral, and remember to spread it around the world to make this world a heaven. Minimalistic habit 3. Speak to yourself. Who doesn't need an expert's advice? Everyone needs advice. You are an expert and it's your life and you know it well than others. And therefore, sometimes you need to talk to yourself. Tell yourself some positive affirmations every day. It may look odd to talk to yourself, but it works for the most people. If you don't want to speak to yourself, go to a peaceful place in the nature and just contemplate in your head about positivity and solutions. You can stand before your mirror and talk to yourself. Even this works perfectly. This habit is so simple, and do it when you are alone and nobody is there, and when your surrounding is very calm. This habit works perfectly. Minimalistic habit 4. Meditate. Just breathe. If you don't know how to meditate, close your eyes and take deep breaths. And this is a very simple technique as a beginner. You don't need some complex methods when you are starting. Sit in a comfy place and close your eyes and just breathe. And let thoughts move in your head and don't try to stop the flow. Stay calm and the thoughts come and go. You may not believe in meditation until you get habituated to it. Even researchers prove that meditation improves your mental performance and several other aspects of life. Learning this habit may be difficult at the beginning. You need not meditate for hours. Take 2 minutes a day and meditate in the first week and do it every day. Then make it 5 minutes next week and double the time in the third week. And do it until you feel comfortable. Minimalistic habit 5. Declutter. There is a lot of clutter in you as well as around you. You need to clear this clutter to become minimalistic and simple. Life becomes easy when you remove unnecessary from it. You fed your life with everything and that's why you are in great confusion till now. You get clarity when you remove what's not necessary. The habit is minimalistic and powerful when you put it into use in your everyday life. You need to declutter two things mainly. Declutter your space around you. In this process, you need to get rid of things around you that are unnecessary. If you think they are necessary someday, store them somewhere else. You should have few things in your working and living space. Arrange all these items in a proper way. Don't throw things everywhere. Put them in proper place. This helps you feel that things are right. Declutter your mind. Your mind plays an important role. It makes you and it breaks you. Therefore, maintaining your mind properly is very important. Therefore, declutter your mind from negative thoughts, false beliefs, negative emotions and negative limits that you have put over your mind. Follow these 5 simple steps to transform your life. Every beginning to change is difficult and get started and love the process and build yourself strong and become a better person who you can fall in love with every day. And I have designed a template that you can download here in this description and track your progress step by step. And if you like the video, you can subscribe to this channel and see you soon.